So, what if I told you that you don't need a giant factory, a fancy MBA, or $1 million budget to start a production business? Nope. All you need is your garage, a bit of hustle, and under $4,000. That's right. Today, we're diving into 44 real production business ideas you can launch right from your garage. These aren't just theory. People are out there making serious money with these, and you could be next. Let's go. 1. T-shirt printing business. A heat press, a vinyl cutter, and blank shirts. Boom, you're in business. This setup costs under $1,000. You can produce custom shirts for local businesses, events, or create your own clothing brand. Sites like Etsy and Instagram can be your sales machines. It's simple, scalable, and perfect for creative folks. 2. Candle production. With wax, molds, scents, jars, and a heating unit, you can start a boutique candle business. Great for gifting seasons, weddings, and home decor. You can begin this one for around $500 and scale it as orders come in. Premium packaging boosts your price point. 3. Soap making. Natural and handmade soaps are booming. You can offer different shapes, scents, and ingredients like charcoal, honey, or goat milk. A basic kit, molds, and materials are all you need, easily under $1,000. Bundle soaps for gifts or create a monthly subscription box. 4. Custom mug printing. Mug press machines cost under $300 on Amazon. Add a sublimation printer and some creativity, and you're in the gift business. You can sell holiday mugs, wedding party sets, or motivational quote mugs online or at local shops. 5. Leather products. Wallets, keychains, belts. You can make premium leather goods using hand tools, cutters, and stamps. Many beginners start under $1,500. Personalized products command higher prices, and the quality can set you apart. 6. Jewelry making. Resin, clay, beads, or metal. Jewelry has endless opportunities. Kits are cheap, and profits can be huge if you brand well. From bracelets to earrings, you can target niche audiences, from boho to high-end minimalist. 7. Sticker printing. With a Cricut or Silhouette machine and a decent printer, you can start designing and selling stickers, perfect for planners, laptops, or water bottles. Creative themes sell best. You can launch for under $800. 8. 3D printing services. Get a 3D printer under $400 and start producing custom parts, tools, toys, or even jewelry molds. You can also sell 3D files or offer local printing services. High ROI once you master the printer and software. 9. Vinyl decal business. Vinyl decals for cars, laptops, walls, and signs are always in demand. With a cutting machine and rolls of vinyl, you can create personalized designs quickly and sell on Etsy or locally. 10. Pet accessories. Make collars, bandanas, toys, or treats. This market is huge. Simple sewing kits and food-grade materials are all you need. You can cater to pet lovers who spend big for their furry friends. 11. Organic lip balm and skincare. Start mixing natural ingredients to make balms, lotions, and salves. It's easy to do in small batches and appeals to the wellness crowd. Keep your branding clean, and you've got a winner. 12. Wooden signs and decor. With a jigsaw, wood burner, or even a laser engraver, you can create rustic home signs, welcome boards, and more. It's an awesome business for holiday seasons or farmhouse-style lovers. 13. Custom tumblers and bottles. Sublimation tumblers are hot right now. You can make motivational drinkware, bridal party cups, or branded water bottles. Startup cost under $1,000, including the blanks. 14. Personalized gifts shop. Mixed a few machines. Heat press, mug press, vinyl cutter, and you've got an entire gift shop in your garage. Custom pillows, mugs, shirts, and bags all sell great. Diversify your products to appeal to more buyers. 15. Bath bomb production. Fun, colorful, and fragrant, bath bombs are easy to make and fun to sell. Ingredients are cheap in bulk, and branding them as luxury or kid-friendly makes them irresistible. 16. Edible printing for cakes/cookies. With an edible printer and icing sheets, you can print logos or cartoon characters for cakes. Partner with local bakers or start your own dessert brand. 17. Phone case customization. Buy blank phone cases and decorate them with paint, vinyl, or resin. Social media trends drive this niche hard. You can even let customers submit their own designs. 18. Acrylic keychains. With a Cricut and some blank acrylics, you can make custom keychains for events, bridesmaids, or corporate giveaways. Super light, easy to ship, and perfect for Etsy. 19. Crocheted products. If you know how to crochet or knit, you can turn that into a business. Hats, toys, baby blankets, you name it. Costs next to nothing to start. 20. Upcycled home decor. Buy used or cheap furniture and upcycle it into trendy items. Sand, paint, and seal. It's fun and profitable. Facebook Marketplace is your playground. 21. Resin art and crafts. From coasters to trays and art panels, resin is incredibly popular right now. Add glitter, dried flowers, or gold flakes, and you've got premium goods. 22. Tote bag printing. Eco-friendly tote bags are fashionable and functional. Print designs, logos, or quotes onto blank totes with a heat press. Great for conferences or retail. 23. Mini food processing. Dehydrated fruits, snacks, or spice blends can all be prepped and packed in your garage. Just make sure to follow your area's food safety laws. 24. Homemade dog treats. Use simple ingredients to create healthy pet snacks. Package them well, promote on pet blogs, and sell to owners who care about quality. 25. Air fresheners. Create stylish hanging air fresheners for cars or homes using essential oils and felt pads. Small, easy to produce, and high in demand. 26. Embroidery business. A basic embroidery machine costs under $1,000. Stitch logos, names, or monograms onto towels, hats, or shirts. Great for personalized gifts or uniforms. 27. Terrarium kits. Package mini terrarium kits with soil, pebbles, glass containers, and small succulents. Sell to plant lovers or as DIY gifts. 28. Button and badge maker. You can produce promotional badges, pins, or even collectible items with a press and printed designs. Great for schools, events, and fans. 29. Soap stamp or mold maker. Design custom stamps or molds and sell them to other soap or craft makers. You can make molds with silicone at home and brand them. 30. Face mask making. Still relevant and in demand. You can offer stylish or themed cloth masks for events, holidays, or workplaces. 31. DIY craft kits for kids. Parents love ready-to-go kits. You can create painting, building, or science kits packaged for fun and learning. 32. Jewelry organizer production. Use wood or fabric to create stands, boards, and hangers for jewelry. Simple to make, but stylish and profitable. 33. Customized stationery. Design planners, journals, and notepads for specific niches. Students, moms, entrepreneurs. Print in small batches and sell online. 34. Chalkboard and menu boards. Cafes, food trucks, and weddings need custom chalkboards. Use wood, paint, and stencils for a rustic finish. 35. Gift baskets and boxes. Curate themed baskets, baby shower, pamper kits, snack boxes. Source items wholesale, add branding, and you're good to go. 36. Lip scrubs and sugar scrubs. Another skincare win. These are simple to produce and sell well with good packaging. Add essential oils and flavors for appeal. 37. Rug tufting. This is a trend catching fire. You can make custom rugs using a tufting gun and frame. It's like painting with yarn, and it's gone viral on TikTok. 38. Digital product printing. Wall art, quotes. Print your own art on canvas or high-quality paper. Use trendy quotes, designs, or illustrations. Sell framed or digital versions. 39. Car air freshener business. Stylish or funny hanging fresheners are always hot. You can personalize these for events or branding. 40. Matcha or tea blends. Buy base teas and herbs in bulk, then package your own custom blends. The wellness community loves this. 41. Clothing patches and pins. Design and sell iron-on patches or enamel pins. Great for creators with an eye for art or fandoms. 42. Planters and pots customization. Paint or engrave terracotta pots and sell them to plant lovers. Add funny sayings or personalized names. 43. Printable coloring books. Design and bind adult or kid coloring books. Sell physical copies or offer downloads for instant income. 44. Temporary tattoo production. With a printer and transfer paper, you can create custom temporary tattoos for kids, parties, or branding. Here's the deal. Every one of these ideas can be started for less than $4,000, many for under $1,000, all from the comfort of your garage, shed, or even a spare room. You don't need a massive plan, just one idea, one machine, and a little courage. So now it's your turn. Which of these 44 ideas got you thinking? Have you tried any already? Drop your answers in the comments. And if you want a follow-up video on how to market these ideas and find your first 50 customers, smash that like button so I know you're serious.